In Chapter 5A of Spanish B, we're going to take a look at the present progressive again. You might remember the progressive with present participles as being the verb that we use the verb estar, and then plus the ando, yendo endings. This ando, yendo is the present participle. So the present participle of words are things like hablando, and we've always used it with the verb estar. We can use the estar in the present tense to say I am talking, or we could use the estar in the past, in the imperfect, and say I was talking, estaba hablando. There are some that are irregular for the present participles. We need to watch out for IR stem changers. They're going to have the same thing that we just had in the when we do the preterite and when we do the nosotros commands. The O's change to U's and the E's change to I's. So if I am sleeping, I would say estoy durmiendo. Okay, a verb like pedir would change to pidiendo. We also need to watch out for verbs that have a double vowel. So verbs like leer, when they become the ing form, or the present participle, they turn into leyendo with a Y instead of having an I in there. Or oír can become oyendo. So we're going to look out for those as well. I want to make a note when we're talking about the progressive and the present participles that you're going to have two options for pronouns. You can choose to put it in front of first verb or attach to the participle or the second verb. And remembering that if we do decide to attach it, we are going to bam it, as I say, or add an accent to the third to last vowel. Okay, so those are our options for pronouns. So let me show you what that looks like. If I wanted to say that she is getting dressed. Okay, getting dressed is a reflexive verb, so option number one, I put the reflexive pronoun in front and say ella se está vistiendo. Or ella está vistiéndose. And I'll go 1, 2, 3, bam, make sure I got my accents on there. And then we can do that for any kind of pronoun, reflexive, direct object, or indirect object pronouns. We get to choose.